I asked my friend if she could help me find where to write 1/2 on the number line. She said,
first draw a line with 2 arrows.
then she sang a song, here's how it goes. 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark, and 1/2 is what you'll find when you get that far.
Hello grade 3, my friends, I miss you all really much. Been watching you how much you've been doing lots of hard work for the math exercises and on your book, and how much work you've been trying to finish just to make sure that you're on the track, which is excellent. I'm really happy about it. Now, one important thing is that the last lesson that we've been doing was actually the 10th. So the 10th is actually just a very simple little exercise. So remember, it's just a one whole, and this one, number 1, it's actually been divided into 10 places. So we have 10 decimals in the number 1. Okay, so imagine that you have a piece of cake. So in a piece of cake, imagine that you cut it. A piece of cake is just one piece of cake. Okay, so you try to cut it into 10 pieces, and these pieces, little pieces, we can call them decimals. If you would like to just imagine it in your own minds. Now, what I would like you to also focus on, please, is to sign into the Han Academy, which I actually sent you the class codes already. So I would like you to use that class code and sign up on the Han Academy website, so you'll be able to practice the exercises or different lessons that have been sent to you. Okay, now you're actually going to be doing a very little short worksheet just to try to get you on the track much harder. So this will prepare you very much for how to understand the 10th. Okay, now we won't be moving further, so we will stop at the 10th, and then your final assessment will just focus on that. Okay, now please watch this little next video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great time, guys. Take care.
What is a tenth? We can draw a rectangle to represent one whole. We can then divide the rectangle into 10 equal parts. Colouring one of the 10 parts gives us the fraction 1/10. We can also write 1/10 as the decimal number 0.1. We can show 1/10 on a place value chart. There are 0 ones and 1/10. Write as a decimal. The whole has been divided into 10 equal parts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the parts are coloured. 6/10 are coloured. We can also write this as the decimal 0.6. We can show 6/10 on a place value chart. There are 0 ones and 6/10. Write as a decimal. Here we have 1 whole and 8/10. 1 and 8/10 are coloured. We can write this as the decimal 1.8. 1.8 has 1 1 and 8/10. Write as a decimal. The red arrow is pointing to a number on the number line between 13 and 14. Each step on the number line shows 1/10. Let's count on from 13.5. 13.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The red arrow is pointing to the decimal 13.9. 13.9 has 1/10, 3 ones, and 9/10.